Hello guys, it's day 8 and we are being consistent here. So how are you doing today? Are you doing good? Yeah, I cannot show the birds today because today is slight rain today in my locality. So all the birds have, I think, been disappeared. No, I can show you some of them. Some of them are on the roof of someone and they are like busy in their own stuffs, and we are here to talk about us, about our personal growth, about our personal mindset, and the improvement in which we are like working on it. So the weather is quite pleasant today, I must say, because there is the rain and we have got the kind of a sigh of relief just because of it. You can say, you can say that there is a water lodging on my roof. Not that much, but some sort of water lodging is on my roof today, and that's a good indication that now we will get relief for hardly for 2 days, because if it will get continued, then we can get that relief for a long time. But I don't think that because the water cycle and the life cycle of the weather has been changed completely, and we are responsible for that. Of course we are responsible for that because of deforestation again and again. I'm like living in Noida, but the thing has not completely changed here, because the government in our locality is well aware and much conscious about the environment and eco-friendly things and all. But despite all these things, I will say that the deforestation and the cutting down of trees in a large number is responsible for that disbalance in the what weather cycle and whatever it is. So how are you? Don't mind, because I haven't asked like how are you in my initials. But you were always okay because you are a aspirant and you know how to deal with any kind of difficulties and all. Apart, just beside me there is a gym and the people are working out. So that is why I'm saying that everyone is hustling, and if we will not do that thing today itself, then we will lag behind, because already we have wasted so much time. And now if we will not make ourselves awake, then we can lag behind, and the only thing that we will do after 5 years, after 10 years, just regretting ourselves, just fighting with ourselves that why I have not done that thing when I have time. When I have some kind of time, I have ample of time, then I should do that thing. And now I have no options left rather than that ultimate options, which I am not able to which I will avoid to talk here, because that is a very sensitive topic, so I don't want to discuss. And if anyone have that kind of feeling in any aspects of their life, then don't do that thing, because that is not the ultimate solution, that is not the perfect solution of any problems in your life. And I am saying so because I have also gone through that phase, so I better know that what is the feeling of that being regretting every time, thinking that I am the only one who is responsible for this, I am the only one who have made that thing in reality. So these all things can be avoided just by having a proper mindset shift. So that is why even if you feel like you are lag behind in your career pathways, then you can do one thing. Just try to sit with yourself, and many people will think, what is he saying? Of course, try to sit with myself means I am the only one person, and how can I sit with myself? Do you think like this way? Okay, no worries. Just hold your horses. Let me tell you how. Try to sit with yourself means basically that try to give yourself a alone time, a solitude. Try to live in solitude because every problem have solution. Every problem have solution. The only thing that matters the most is that the only thing that matters the most is that are you enough capable? Are you enough having the willpower to do that thing? Huh? Have you enough willpower that okay, I don't have to think that much. I will never think about my past, whatever the chaos I have done in my past. Now it's me, and before me I have my future, and I will just look on that future and try to inculcate everything in my career pathways which I will be learning throughout my phases. This is what the mindset shift is. So after that you will think in that way, okay, there is only two things in my life, just me and my goal, and rest other thing is blur. Rest everything is blur, and we don't have to take anything from that. See, we have to respect our family. That doesn't mean that our family will control what the career pathway we should choose. No, it's up to me, it's up to you, that what do you want in your life. What do you want in your life? Just ask with yourself. Wherever you are you happy? Are you living happy there? If not, then kick it and do whatever you want. But here is the catch. The thing is that if you decided that okay, wherever I am, I'm not living here happy, so I want to change it anyhow. So are you enough willpower? Are you enough willing to do that thing in a proper way, that I have made the chaos in my life? Okay, that is the other thing. But after that, once I have decided that now I will do better in my life, so after that you don't have to look backwards. You don't have to look backwards. Yeah, see, there is a man just behind me, but still I'm recording. So this is what I want in my life, that I don't have to think that much about anyone. Yeah, just see na. If I will think that okay, there is a man, and how come can I record my video? With bro, or maybe says, no one cares about you. You are the only one who is just stopping you from getting something big. You are the only one. I'm not saying that you will get it overnight, but just put everything on it, and slowly you will get the result. Slowly you will start getting that result. So my message today is that if you are willing to get yourself out of wherever you are, then firstly believe on yourself that you can do. Unless you won't succeed in your life. If you don't have a belief system in you, then I'm damn sure that you will again regret about your life, about your career pathways, because you don't have the belief, but still you have jumped into that decision, and that is not the best way to do anything. So I think I have made you enough clear about what my perspective today about recording my video. So yeah, see ya, bye, take care.